Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I'm going to introduce one website where you can create classroom resources in seconds. No need to sign in and nothing is required. Let me show you. So this is called MLP. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So first of all, you have to choose your subject. Let's start from English, let's say. And grade level, let's take from year 8, let's say. And I need to write a topic. Let's say my topic is Jane Eyre, very famous English novel. So let's say I need a worksheet of it. So I need to add some details about it, like how many number of questions you want and what is your educational standard or your learning objective. So let me write down 10 questions including MCQs and descriptive questions. Let's click to generate. It takes few seconds to generate. Let's see. So resource has been generated. You can see here. You can just click on go to resource or open in a new tab. Let me click on open in a new tab. So you can see here there is a Jane Eyre novel and my learning objective has been created, instruction has been given and question according to what I ask for. So let's do one more example. This time I'm going to select the subject math. Let's say grade level will be year 10 and topic is simultaneous equation. This time I'm going to ask to create a quiz or a test. Let me write down some details. Create total 5 questions from lower order to higher order thing. Let's try to generate. So you can see it is generated already. Let me click here. So you can see on the screen math test has been given and there is an option of printing. You can do some limited formatting. So this is really amazing. It's very quick. It's not required any formal information. No login is needed. So you can use as a very quick resource in the classroom. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.